Hello again. Many have had a frosty start to what will be a wintry working week. Certainly staying pretty cold out there through Monday, but for many it'll be a bright day with blue skies and the winds quite a bit lighter than those bitter ones of Sunday. Now we are going to potentially see some snowfall, particularly so across England, Wales on Tuesday night. And that is going to come from an area of low pressure that is developing out in the Atlantic. There's still some uncertainty because that system really hasn't fully formed yet. Ahead of that, most places, as I say, having a fine Monday. There's a weak weather front in the west, pepping up the showers across the far southwest through the morning. But even here, the showers will tend to fade. One or two showers grazing the east coast, perhaps, and snow showers coming in across northern Scotland. A bit of wet weather pushing into western parts of Northern Ireland. And eventually, that'll creep into the west of Scotland with snow on the hills. But for many, as I said, it's dry, it's bright, it's cold, but the winds, at least, although still noticeable, are a little bit lighter than they were through Sunday. And so it feels a bit warmer, even though temperatures will still be below average, 4 or 5 degrees for many. Now, those temperatures will drop sharply this evening and there will be a frost. More snow showers packing into the northwest. Things could turn icy here, particularly for Tuesday morning's rush hour. Elsewhere, there'll be a few showers across western parts of England and Wales, mostly of rain at lower levels, and a mixture of rain, sleet and snow coming into Northern Ireland as we start Tuesday. Many central and eastern parts, again, dry and clear, and it will turn frosty. Temperature in towns and cities down to freezing, rural areas well below. But down to the southwest, we do have to keep our eye on this system. That is that area of low pressure that I said was developing. Now, the worst of the weather looks like now moving into France, but to the north, we will have this weather front, which will pep the showers up and bring some snowfall as it arrives across parts of Wales, western England during Tuesday. And we could well see a covering in places, mostly over the hills initially, but increasingly through the afternoon and evening, some snow coming to lower levels over northwest England and parts of Wales. Ahead of that, much of eastern England, again dry and cold. And further north, also again, some bright spells, some sunshine, but there will be some showers around. Now, the wet weather across the Channel Islands from that low pressure system will head into France and bring quite a bit of snow here. We are going to get the northern side of that weather system, and this band, as it crosses through England and Wales, will continue to bring some snow. Now, there's a lot of uncertainty about the development of the next few days, but we could see this band of wintry weather working its way across the country through Tuesday evening's rush hour, and then potentially bringing some snow as we go through Tuesday night that could still be around on Wednesday morning. A few centimetres possible here and there, particularly, as I said, over the hills. So do keep up to date with the forecast. Could be very icy on Wednesday morning, and there could well be a covering of snow in places too. That wintry weather lasting through the rest of this week as well. It's going to stay pretty cold with further snow possible, and it looks like it could get quite windy again later on in the week. Please keep up to date with the weather warnings. They're available on the Met Office website through our app, or of course follow us on social media.